Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to impart techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Project Execution Plan, Importance and Relevance, and this is the 19th session in the Project Management Leadership series. Our guest speaker today is Mr. Kumar Saurabh, Assistant General Manager and Head of Department Strategic Planning in Samsung Heavy Industries India Private Limited. He is also a PMI India champion. Samsung Heavy Industries India Private Limited is part of Samsung Heavy Industries, a group company of Samsung, a South Korean conglomerate having net sales of about $11 billion and 23,000 employees all over the world. Mr. Kumar Saurabh is a project management and project control specialist and a certified project management professional from Project Management Institute, USA. He has been associated with projects related to oil and gas, petrochemical and infrastructure projects. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Mr. Kumar.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. It's really nice to be part of this particular session, and it's actually my privilege to be addressing to a huge group of people who have found time on a Friday to be part of this project execution plan, importance and relevance session. I hope I am able to do justice to your Friday evening, and we end this week on a good and a happy note. So today's session is all about project execution plan, importance and relevance. To begin with, just a brief introduction about me, further to what has already been told. I'm basically heading the Department of Strategic Planning in Samsung Heavy Industries. One of the things which I have, I would say I've cultivated over the years is that my passion for project management, and that has kept me so-called in the loop of project execution and the things that are happening in the project management field. I have been recognized as a project PMI India champion, part of a group which is a full-fledged program by an initiative by Project Management India. And I'm also a member of the PMI North India chapter newsletter, Synergy, that's the name of the newsletter. And we have been, I've been there since we started, since this newsletter was germinated. There's also an article which was published in Chemical Engineering World, Avoiding Catastrophes in Project Execution. That was in October 2012. Now let's start with the main session, and that is all about project execution plan. So before we go by the slides, let me put in some thoughts which I could gather from various sources. I found some of them pretty interesting and some of them pretty thoughtful. Project managers should not be praised for starting a job, but for finishing it. That's what, the moment we hear of a word plan, the fundamental thing that comes to our mind is it's just a plan. Now what is being executed has got maybe little or no relevance, or just a slight relevance with the plan. But that's not the case, and that's what we are going to discuss in this entire session for the next hour or so. Planning without action is futile, and action without planning is fatal. For a project manager, overruns are as certain as death and taxes. A good project manager adheres to schedule, whereas a project champion meets targets. So there's a huge difference between these two words. And of course, the most valuable and least created document in project management is Plan B. So the moment there is a problem, it's always a firefighting mode. Now, those are some of the things which we plan to discuss in this entire session. on how do we actually avoid the firefighting mode. The project execution plan, so to say, is bound by the 10 knowledge areas clearly elucidated in the Guide to the Project Management Body of Knowledge, 5th edition. That's PMBOK, 5th edition of Project Management Institute, PMI. These 10 knowledge areas, now the project execution plan has to encompass all these knowledge areas. Otherwise, the moment one of these knowledge areas are left open-ended, it's the beginning of chaos. So these knowledge areas are integration, scope, time, cost, quality, human resource, communication, risk, procurement, and the stakeholders. Now to start with, what is the objective of making a project execution